Have you ever wondered if you can make a clean $300 a day with just your phone or PC? Well, incredible as it may sound, it's very doable. In this digital age, Google offers a variety of opportunities for individuals like you to generate income, whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings or explore a new source of revenue. From freelancing and content creation to online advertising and more. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to start your journey toward earning your first $100 a day with Google. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Step 1. Choose your income stream. Before diving into making money with Google, you need to choose how you want to generate income. You've got to ask yourself, what can I do best? What do I want to do? It'll be so much easier for you if your income stream is something you can do or enjoy doing. Some of the popular options offered by Google include Google AdSense. You can monetize your website or blog by displaying targeted ads through the Google AdSense algorithm. Another decent option is the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to create and share videos on YouTube to earn from ads and channel memberships. A lot of YouTubers have become wealthy through the YouTube Partner Program. Mr. Beast, Jeffree Star, and Like Nastya are just a few of the loaded YouTubers who use the YouTube Partner Program. Through Google, you can find various freelancing platforms that let you offer your skills to clients and companies and earn some bucks. That's not all. With Google Play Store, you can develop and sell apps, games, or digital content for Android devices, and then monetize it with Google AdMob. You could also make money with Google Opinion Rewards. This option lets you take surveys in your spare time and earn while you do it. Step 2. Set up your platform. When you've picked your income stream or streams, it might be more than one. Then it's time to set yourself up on the platform or platforms you've chosen. Number 1. Google AdSense. To use Google AdSense, you need to set up a blog or website. If you have either of these already, hold on a few seconds. Let's put the newbies through. For those without a website or a blog, you can either pay a professional to set up a standard website or blog for you, or you can do it yourself. To do it yourself, first you need a name. Choose the name of your website and ensure that it somehow tallies with what your website will be about. Is it for trending news, for stories, or fashion tips? Maybe a cooking blog or a lifestyle blog. Find your niche and choose a name. After this is done, you need to pay for domain hosting. It could be a .com, .org, and the like. The top 5 domain hosting services we recommend for you are Namecheap, Ionos, Bluehost, Hostinger, and A2 Hosting. When you've got a functional domain name, head over to WordPress and register for a WordPress.org account. Link your hosting to it, and you're ready to go. Then start posting content on your blog or website. When you feel it's standard enough, you can apply for Google AdSense through this link. Once you've been approved by Google, you can begin to place AdSense ads on your website. You earn money each time a visitor on your platform clicks those ads. As a matter of fact, you can earn as high as $500 per month to $10,000 per month if your traffic is high. YouTube Partner Program at number 2. Just like a blog, your YouTube channel needs a name and a specific niche. Ask yourself, what sort of content do I want to create? Once you've made up your mind on a niche, you can begin to make clean videos. With the help of a YouTube scriptwriter or even AI, you can write a script for your videos and even create videos in a matter of minutes. From there, you can begin to build your viewership. Read the criteria for applying for the partner program. Once you're sure you've met them, apply to be a money-earning YouTube content creator. If your viewership is high, you can also get other people to pay you to advertise their products in your video. If you have a blog, it's a good idea to link it to your channel in the video description space. Number 3. Freelancing platforms. If you feel freelancing is your golden ticket, go to freelancer.com, create an account, pick your monetization skills, and get verified. You would start receiving Google notifications whenever there are job openings for your skills, or when a paid contest is running on their platform. In a day, you can choose to apply for 20 contests related to your skills, or apply for multiple job openings in need for what you have to offer. On freelancer.com, you can get a job as a copywriter, ghostwriter, web designer, graphic designer, scriptwriter, artist, sketcher, and a ton of other freelance skills. Number 4. Google Play Store. If your forte is developing an Android application or game, then you're one of the luckiest ladies or gents alive. If it isn't, you're still in the game. You can always pay someone to create an app for you. Android games can be good cash cows, especially games that won't give intrusive ads, but will require the player to watch ads if they want extra and certain benefits. For instance, on Candy Crush Saga, you can watch ads to gain extra lives or game boosters. When we watch those ads, the game developer earns a ton of money. Now imagine you were the game developer. Once you've gotten your app or game registered on Google Play Store, you can apply for Google AdMob through this link, admob.google.home/home/get started. Google AdMob places ads in your app and lets you earn from it. Number 5. Google Opinion Rewards. Although it doesn't pay much, taking Google surveys is a slow, constant, and steady way of making dollars on Google. Just download the app on Play Store, sign up, and begin to take surveys. You can earn $1 per survey if you take up to 20 surveys in one day. That's $20 per day, and in a month, that's $600 without leaving the comfort of your home. Cool, right? Step 3. Promote and optimize. To maximize your earnings, you'll need to promote your content and optimize its performance. For Google AdSense, you can drive traffic to your website through SEO, social media, and content marketing. If you think the YouTube Partner Program is your winning card, you can promote your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience. Meanwhile, if you're into freelancing and need to bid on relevant projects, maintain a professional online presence and deliver outstanding work to get positive reviews.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Finally, for Google Play Store, optimize your app's title, description, and keywords to enable people to find it easily and encourage user reviews. As you can see, earning as high as $300 a day with Google is possible if you're ready to put in some work. Well, except you're going for Google surveys. Then you can literally just sit on your couch and earn. Good luck in your journey to earning income with Google. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment starting with "Earn on my couch." That way we'll know you followed this journey till the end, and you're ready to start making your dollars. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our videos. Until the next time, ciao.